Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Siddharth Shah, or popularly people call me as Sid Shah. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. In this short series of videos, I'm going to give you some important concepts which you can use it in your daily routine, in your daily business, in your daily life, and make breakthrough results. In this particular video, I'm going to touch upon a very important concept of how you can convert your normal desire into a burning desire. Yes friends, public बोलती है कि ये मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए. You know, this is all our desire, our wish. But Napoleon Hill talks of that the first step to riches, पहला जो step है out of the 13 steps to riches is having a burning desire. And in this video, I am going to actually tell you how you can convert your normal desire into a burning desire. To understand that friends, you got to go back to the root of Think and Grow Rich, and which is not Think and Grow Rich the book per se, but a book called The Law of Success, which was written by Napoleon Hill 20 years prior to the book of Think and Grow Rich. 20 साल पहले उन्होंने एक किताब लिखी थी The Law of Success, and in this friends he discusses the 9 motives framework. These 9 motives, ये क्या है 9 motives framework? Well, any person on planet Earth, the entire 7 billion population on planet Earth is taking some action inspired by these 9 motives. Okay, so there is nobody on this planet Earth who is just taking action for nothing. There is a motive in his mind, and for वो motive से खींच करके वो action ले रहे हैं. तो मैं आपको ये वीडियो में all these 9 motives I'm going to create for you, and then how you can link those 9 motives with your goal which you have got, and then convert your desire into a burning desire. So are we ready for that? All right. So the first motive is what I call is having a desire for self-preservation or basic needs. Self-preservation और basic needs का क्या मतलब है? Simple मतलब है दोस्तों, रोटी कपड़ा और मकान. या सो अगर ये नहीं है तो आदमी इसके लिए कुछ भी करेगा, anything. All right, so this is the first motive, which is the desire for self preservation or basic needs. The second motive is the emotion of love, very powerful positive motive. So love is not just having a small छोटा आप मत सोचिएगा just love for the soulmate. No, it could be love for your job, for whatever work which you are doing. If you are in business, are you really loving the profession which you are into? क्या आपको काम पसंद है आप जो कर रहे हो? I mean, it's a very powerful motive, emotion of love. For example, let's say a mother will do anything for the mother's love for the child, and army man's love for the country. वो देश के लिए कुछ भी करेगा on the border, right? So this is a very strong, powerful motive which can convert your normal desire into a burning desire, right? The third motive is the emotion of fear. Fear, dar. Although negative motive friends, this motive is also very powerful motive for a person to take action. Yeah. It's a negative motive, but let's say अगर आप student हो और अगर आपके exams आ रही है and you are having the fear कि मैं pass होगा नहीं होगा, and you will do whatever it takes, you know, रात को आप जागेंगे पढ़ेंगे, but you will ensure that you get good marks. So because of this fear motive, you are taking some action. If you are in a executive working in a company and there are quarterly targets आपके हैं और अगर आप पीछे हो तो you know कि अगर targets आप नहीं पहुंचे तो बहुत problem है. So you could do anything for that, achieving those targets. If you are a business owner or an entrepreneur and if profits are not there और बैंक बैलेंस आपकी कम होती जा रही है दोस्तों, तो the entrepreneur will do any जुगाड़, कुछ भी जुगाड़ करेगा वो, so that उसका business आगे बढ़े. So although negative motive friends, the emotion of fear is a very very strong motive for a person to take action. The fourth motive is a desire for the life after death. The desire for life after death means this motive is connected to many religions and beliefs that if you do good deeds in this birth, you will have a better birth in your next life. आप अच्छा कर्म करेंगे इस दुनिया में तो आपका अगला जन्म अच्छा जाएगा. और दोस्तों काफ़ी सारे लोग संसार में आज ऐसे भी हैं जो अच्छे कर्म करते जाते हैं ताकि उनका अगला जन्म अच्छा जाए. और ये मोटिव काफ़ी रिलीजन्स में भी लिखा गया है. एंड देयर इज अ सेक्शन ऑफ पीपल हु कीप ऑन डूइंग दिस पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट. या The fifth motive is the desire for freedom of body and mind. Freedom of body and mind? For example, if you are working in a 9 to 5 job, आप बोलेंगे मैं थक गया हूँ, कंटाल गया हूँ, I want to be a free bird. एक बार मेरे अकाउंट में इतना पैसा आया ना, I'm going to throw that thing on his face. Yeah, and you will do whatever it takes to be a free bird. आई मीन आई हैव सीन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, बहुत बड़ा एम्पायर होता है बट 24 घंटे वही काम करते रहते और फंसे हुए अपने बिजनेस में, और एक दिन सोचते हैं यार बस हो गया यार, आई जस्ट वांट टू क्विट, आई वांट टू डू वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफी, आई वांट टू ट्रैवल द होल वर्ल्ड, एंड दे टेक ड्रास्टिक स्टेप्स एंड एक्शंस. सो दिस इज द डिजायर फॉर फ्रीडम ऑफ बॉडी एंड माइंड, अ वेरी पावरफुल मोटिव फॉर अ पर्सन टू टेक एक्शन. The sixth and the seventh motive are two negative motives. तो मैंने उनको दोनों को साथ में क्लब करके दिया है. They are good trigger points. And what are those two motives? The desire for revenge and the emotion of hatred. The desire for revenge, बदले की इच्छा, and the emotion of hatred, नफरत की इच्छा. These are two negative motives, friends, but they are good trigger points. They are really good trigger points. When I am saying trigger points, जैसे कोई सोए हुए इंसान को जगाना हो ना, तो ये ट्रिगर पॉइंट आपको काम में आता है, और एक बार उसका हो गया, ट्रिगर आ गया, फिर वो कुछ भी कर पाएगा. सो आई कैन गिव यू वेरियस एग्जांपल्स. गांधी जी को फेंका गया था ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म इन साउथ अफ्रीका, एंड ही सेड आई हैव गॉट अ फर्स्ट क्लास टिकट, हाउ कैन थ्रो टू मी ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म? बट दैट ट्रिगर्ड द इंडिपेंडेंस रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. सो दैट वाज अ गुड ट्रिगर पॉइंट. रिवेंज एंड हेट्रेड आपको देखना है तो अपनी कोई भी बॉलीवुड पिक्चर देख लो, अपना हीरो कुछ भी करेगा उसके लिए, अपने रिवेंज और हेट्रेड के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू सी रामायण और महाभारत, उसका भी अगर आप सोर्स, अगर रूट आप देखेंगे तो कहां ना कहां रिवेंज और हेट्रेड का कनेक्शन है. सो दीज माय फ्रेंड्स आर वेरी वेरी गुड ट्रिगर पॉइंट्स फॉर अ पर्सन टू टेक एक्शन. वन कैविएट, एक चेतावनी है दोस्तों, आप ये ट्रिगर पॉइंट्स को लेके आप अपना डिजायर को बर्निंग कर सकते हो, बट यू गॉट टू सब्सटीट्यूट, ये मोटिव से आपको कोई पॉजिटिव मोटिव सब्सटीट्यूट करना पड़ेगा सो दैट यू कैन लास्ट लॉन्ग. क्योंकि दोस्तों, if you are just working yourself just to prove someone else, you will burn yourself out. आप लंबा नहीं कर पाएंगे, आपको कोई पॉजिटिव मोटिव सब्सटीट्यूट करना होगा so that you are able to sustain yourself and get the satisfaction, right? The eighth motive is the desire for self expression and recognition. Self expression, recognition का मतलब name and fame. So if I say my name is C.A. सिद्धार्थ शाह, अगर आर्किटेक्ट होगा, पॉलिटिशियंस है, फिल्म स्टार्स है, ब्यूरोक्रेट्स है, उनको अपने नाम के लिए अब जो भी करना है. They want their name, and that's for the main reason they will do anything for that, right? And the ninth motive is the most easily understood. So I have kept it the last, but it is not the least important. सबसे ऐसा नहीं है कि ये ninth motive है and least important है, but it is the most easily understood motive. So I have kept it the last, and that is the desire for material gain. Material gain, all thing is that भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपया. So a person would do anything with this money motive in mind. So it's not a negative motive. It's money is very important for your life, in your relationship, in your business. It's a very strong motive for a person to take action. Now this 9 motives framework तो मैंने आपको बता दिए. Now how are you going to convert this 9 motives framework in helping you to convert your normal desire into a burning desire? Well, here's the tip, friends. Whenever we all have got goals, but whenever you've got a goal or a desire to have in your life something, you connect any of these 9 motives with the goal which you have got in your mind. ये motives को आप connect करिए. I'm not saying all 9 motives. At least one strong, powerful motive has to be connected with the goals. The stronger the connect with the motive and the goals, the better the chances you will have to achieve those goals. So that is one strong way which Napoleon Hill talks of in his book The Law of Success, of how you can convert your normal desire into a burning desire. And a burning जो आप बोलते हैं कि मुझे मेरा burning desire है दोस्तों, तो what is burning where? Think about it. What is burning where? People say it's the fire in the belly, but where is the fire? Where is the belly? To really understand, friends, you take a metaphor कि आप अपने तवे पे एक कुछ आपका desire है और उसको burning रखना है, तो there are these 9 flames. कोई भी एक flame अगर आपकी जलती है तो आपका desire आपका तपता है और you are able to achieve that goal. Because life is not smooth. Entrepreneurship की जर्नी easy नहीं है. कहाँ ना कहाँ कुछ hurdles, obstacles आएंगे. At that time, friends, if the motives are strongly connected to your goals, the chances are much more you'll be able to achieve these goals. So I hope in this short video, I have given you one brief framework of how you can convert your normal desire into a burning desire, friends. So there are many steps and many ways of achieving your goals. This is just the preview. This is just the basic step. You can actually log on to our website and find out more details about our programs which we have got for entrepreneurs. It's not a one-day motivational program or a 2-hour motivational program. It's about life transforming principles of success which has transformed millions of people all across the world. My YouTube channel is there which you can see now down. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give us some comments what kind of videos which you want to listen to, so we can actually make those videos. Have this bell press so that you can get notifications of whatever new videos which are coming up. I once again thank you friends for watching my video. Thank you so much friends. My name is Siddharth Shah and we represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. My company's name is Think and Grow Rich Academy. Thank you so much.